short-term perspective from UR Bhatt out there as far as the outlook for the markets is concerned. But Avinnash, in terms of what we're seeing as far as a couple of these stocks are concerned, Bank of Baroda is an interesting one. And, let me just quickly reiterate what the management has actually told us. And they're also filing into the exchanges right now, saying that didn't disclose any information regarding the entire issue, as expect no financial loss. They, in fact, were saying that they were awaiting report of internal audit unit, and then they would have actually gone ahead and put a certain notification in as well. But remember, we caught up with the management earlier. I'll just try and see, get those highlights and the takeaways from the interaction that we had with the management as well. But Avinnash, clearly this has been a stock that's been in focus since morning today, is what we've been seeing. What do you make of this entire issue regarding Bank of Baroda? Stock's been down only 2.6 to 3%.
I think the management, today went on record saying that fraud may not be in excess of 6,000 crores, as was reported earlier. My guess is, I think, even if a 5 to 10%, of that 6,000 crores finally, comes up as a final number, I think one would like to know how is it going to be accounted, because finally a fraud, somebody will have to pay the bill. And my guess is, I think if the stock is down by 2%, I think the markets are cautiously awaiting in the next couple of days what kind of number is actually put out as an authentic number by the management, and clearly what is the kind of financial outgo for Bank of Baroda, because in that case, it could be like an abnormal one-time hit, which is apart from the normal NPS. And this is one of those PSU banks which was highly respected, Priyank. So, it looks very surprising that the scam actually was detected in September, and even today, the bank is yet awaiting for a few days to officially state, what's the kind of fraud number. So I think let's wait and watch, but any number in excess of, 600-700 crores is definitely not going to be good. I think the markets would obviously take it as a kind of a big sentimental kind of de-booster, because this is definitely a big amount. Anything in excess of 600 crores, my guess is it would have to be accounted in probably this quarter or next quarter's profits.